Welcome to SAEs with Deals, your go-to channel where we bring you the hottest tech, home and lifestyle deals that save you money while upgrading your everyday life. Imagine those perfect backyard evenings, the smell of wood fire, the laughter of family, and the taste of food that makes everyone gather around for more. Now, what if you could bring all of that magic into one powerful, portable grill? This is the Ninja Woodfire Pro XL Grill and Smoker OG850, your 4-in-1 outdoor cooking powerhouse. Not just a grill, but a BBQ smoker, an air fryer, and even a baker. Yes, all in one sleek, portable design, from juicy, flame-kissed steaks to smoky ribs packed with flavor. Even golden, crispy fries without the oil. This Ninja does it all. And thanks to the built-in thermometer, you'll never second-guess if your food is cooked perfectly. What makes it truly special? That authentic wood fire flavor. The Ninja comes with 2 wood fire pellet packs, so every meal feels like a BBQ masterpiece, without the hassle of traditional smokers. And here's the game changer, it's portable. Whether it's a backyard party, camping trip, or tailgate, you can take that unforgettable flavor with you anywhere. And right now, it's on a limited time promotion, 18% off. That means you don't just get incredible food, you get it at an incredible value. But this deal won't last long. Food has a way of bringing people together. With the Ninja Woodfire Pro XL, you're not just cooking meals, you're creating memories. Don't wait until it's gone. Grab yours today while the 18% savings is still live. Thanks for watching. For more amazing deals that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.